Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. If you simply want a high-performance tablet for your child, the Samsung Tab S6 Lite is arguably one of the best Android-based tablets on the market. I believe that purchasing this tablet makes sense for students in higher grades because they are more prone to practical work, image modeling, complex mathematical calculations, and other demanding tasks. With a much larger and brighter screen, the Samsung Tab S6 Lite effectively replaces the older Tab 3 Lite. The Tab S6 Lite has a 10.4-inch screen with a native resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels. The TFT panel appears to be promising, with higher inherent refresh rates for improved gaming. In terms of cameras, the 5MP front unit is adequate, but the 8MP rear shooter may lose favor with discerning users. An external keyboard can be connected to the tablet via Bluetooth or the existing USB port. In terms of stylus compatibility, this tablet works flawlessly with the S Pen and adds functionality to the touchscreen. In terms of internals, the Tab S6 Lite is powered by an Exynos 9611 processor. Along with the SoC, there is 4GB RAM to help manage the majority of your child's multitasking workload. Our second best tablet for homeschooling is Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. Amazon's Fire HD 10 is one of the better tablets on the list if you want a reliable product for your young kids, who need assistance with visuals, audio, and digital reading. This tablet is quite a potent substitute to the Fire HD 8, courtesy of a larger screen real estate. The 10.1-inch IPS screen exhibits a display resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. What's interesting enough is that the Fire HD 10 is at least 10% brighter as compared to the previous model. In addition to a fantastic screen, HD10 also brings in a 5MP rear shooter and a basic 2MP front camera for helping your kids get through video calls. The 10.1-inch IPS screen exhibits a display resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. What's interesting enough is that the Fire HD10 is at least 10% brighter as compared to the 2020 model. This whole setup makes it even more suitable for reading books, comics, worksheets, etc. Amazon's Fire HD 10 is compatible with almost every active pen there is. Also, if you seek keyboard support for your homeschooled kids, pairing an external one via Bluetooth is also possible. The Fire HD 10 is helmed by the Helio P60T processor, capable of handling almost every app, task, and resource with ease. Multitasking is hardly an issue with 3GB RAM on board, whereas the 32GB of storage space takes care of most trivial requirements. Third pick in our list is Apple 10.2-inch iPad. If you prefer the Apple ecosystem to Android, the 9th generation Apple iPad appears to be the best bet for home learning. Also, if your children enjoy drawing and other relevant subjects, the 9th generation Apple iPad is a good investment. Coming to the display, the 9th Gen iPad features a 10.2-inch Retina screen, boasting an overall resolution of 2160 by 1620 pixels. The IPS LCD panel is adequately sharp, vivid, and layered by a scratch-resistant enhancement. Moreover, the 500 nits of brightness level and the True Tone technology ensure excellent sunlight visibility, allowing kids to stay connected with their books, even while traveling. The 8MP rear shooter with an aperture of f/2.4 works well in well-lit conditions. Also, there is an improved 12MP ultra-wide front camera unit for handling most of your video calling needs. The 64GB storage support may sound restricting, especially in 2022, but it is a good upgrade over 32GB from its predecessor. The base model should be sufficient for students who would want to store multiple books and resources on the iPad itself. This entry-level iPad still happens to be one of my go-to tablets as it still persists with the 3.5mm audio jack, making it suitable to plug earphones and enjoy music on the go. Plus, there is a lightning connector for charging. The features keep getting better as this is one of the more secured tablets around, courtesy of the fingerprint scanner on the home button. Number 4 in our side is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. If your child prefers placing the tablet in the open for attending to his or her online sessions, there isn't a better option than the Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. While the headphone audio performance is more than respectable, the powerful speakers ensure added leverage. Furthering the discussion about screens, the Tab P11 Plus offers an 11-inch 2K display, with an overall resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. The Full HD IPS screen is bright and exhibits excellent viewing angles, more so due to the higher resolution. The 13MP camera in the rear clicks decent pictures, provided you restrict the usage to clicking pages, assignments, and later sharing the same with friends. There is also an 8MP front shooter to work with, bolstered further with face unlock support. The Tab P11 Plus does offer a stylus and keyboard support, however, they don't come bundled with the package. Upon my testings, I realized that it works seamlessly with any active pen, and external keyboard integration was smooth too. The upgraded Helio G90T chipset runs flawlessly and is more than capable of handling several academic apps, online platforms, and even programming tools, with ease. Working alongside Helio G90T is 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage space. Number 5 in our top 5 best tablet for homeschooling list is new Microsoft Surface Go 2. Surface Go 2 should be a homeschooler's tablet of choice, provided the priorities are stacked towards word processing, and even using the MS Office as the go-to on-premise resource. Compared to the dated Surface Go, the Surface Go 2 from Microsoft is a much better choice for homeschooling your child, as you get Wi-Fi 6 standard on it as opposed to Wi-Fi 5. For students, the 10.5-inch screen feels adequate enough. Circumventing other display-specific issues is the overall pixel count of 1920 by 1280 pixels. Also, the panel feels strong enough with Gorilla Glass support, as children might end up dropping the tablet every now and then. Apart from the IPS Pixel Sense display that boasts near-perfect viewing angles, Microsoft also paves the way for an excellent camera setup with an 8MP rear shooter for clicking and scanning documents and the 5MP front shooter for attending online classes. The Pentium 4425Y is a chipset meant for low-power laptops. However, for online learning, you cannot wish for anything better, as it works rather perfectly with 8GB of system memory when it comes to handling multiple apps and tasks at once. The UHD 615 graphics coprocessor is significant enough towards improving the visual quality. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.